What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's gonna be a bit of a different video. No drones, no planes, but it's sort of connected to RC because the components I use are usually in RC cars or planes. So what I'm talking about is this. My now non-electric skateboard. My parents gave us, for me and my sister, they gave us a longboard, like really cheap longboard. As we got it, there was the whole thing with boosted board, and I really wanted some, but my parents said it's too dangerous, and the main thing, it's not cheap. It's actually quite expensive. I think it starts around $1,000. What I tried to build electric skateboard. I think I can divide the building of the skateboard in three stages: the old setup, the second setup, and the future setup. So the old setup is with those 3800 kV motors. They are size 36 by 60 millimeters. So they are relatively small, but I thought it would be enough. It really wasn't. The second setup. So the only difference is I used these. Unfortunately, I don't have them anymore, but this is how they look like. These green 2100 kV motors. They are slightly bigger. These are 36 by 65 millimeters, and I thought they would be enough, but they... Now I'm planning to do the third and hopefully final version. So I upgraded the deck. I ordered these 800 kV motors, and these should be fine. I will really be like lost if they don't fit.